Alright guys, Terra Luna Classic. It seems that the giant has awakened. Are we going to $1 guys? Is this happening guys here? Is Terra Luna Classic going to that $1? That pump here on Terra Luna Classic here guys, I still can't believe what's happening here. I still can't believe this pump. Now, I know I said it's gonna break out. I know it's gonna take some time here. I told you guys we're gonna break out and we're gonna see higher prices, but I did not expect it to be this fast guys. I did not expect this to happen this fast on Terra Luna Classic. So this pretty much raises a lot of question, and the obvious one guys here, are we going to $1? So in this video guys here, we're gonna discuss what are the possibilities to go to $1. Are we going to that $1 guys? Are we all getting rich in 2 years once that bull market is finally settling in, once everything is pumping? Are we all gonna celebrate that $1 on Terra Luna Classic? So let's get into it guys here in this video. If you enjoy these videos as usual, don't forget to leave a like and let's get into it. Alright guys, so since that breakout now, Terra Luna Classic is up 334%. Now this rally here is on the face of everyone on that crypto space that's been denying Terra Luna Classic. If you've been in Terra Luna Classic or buying Terra Luna Classic, probably people were calling you delusional. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have been called delusional recently if you've been on the Terra Luna Classic. We've all been delusional of thinking that Terra Luna Classic here or here is gonna one day be a good investment. Well guys, here we want to take a moment and celebrate first of all that pump that is happening here guys. That's 334%. Now all these fundamental guys, fundamental boys, all these guys that believe cryptocurrencies, that have these crazy fundamentals, are gonna pump hard. But all of them, like we have DOT, Cardano, we have all these relics from the previous bull market that had this crazy fundamentals, are down guys. Didn't even pull the 3x this year, and we have Terra Luna Classic here pulling finally the 3x pump here. And this guys is exactly what we needed to, one, burn as many Terra Luna Classic, and two, bring back that belief that Terra Luna Classic is going to $1, spreading that message all over that Twitter and social media, and people feeling that FOMO of missing probably one of the best investments in the crypto space. As usual guys, nothing is financial advice in this channel, but previously here on my channel guys, I told you I'm getting some Terra Luna Classic here. I'm getting some Terra Luna Classic here. I don't know if some of you listened, probably, but I did, and guys, I am up 300% now so far. 300%, or let's say 250%. So I might be very bullish here on Terra Luna Classic, and I have my reasons. So where is this pump going guys? After we've seen this 334% or 330% or 3x move on Terra Luna Classic, what's the next thing here guys? What should be done here for Terra Luna Classic here? What do we need to see from Terra Luna Classic price action, or in general from the Terra Luna Classic community and the ecosystem, to send the Terra Luna Classic to $1, so that we can all one day, probably in 2 years, probably guys, we're gonna hear Terra Luna Classic made a bunch of people rich, just like Dogecoin in the past, just like Shiba Inu. Now this is still possible guys. This is very possible. It's the crypto space. Nothing really surprises me anymore since seeing Dogecoin in 2021. Now a lot of newcomers have not experienced a bull market before and don't know what can really happen in a bull market, but those that did experience a bull market know exactly what I'm talking about. Now what we need to see here from Terra Luna Classic to see that $1. Now the first thing guys, as I said on my previous Terra Luna Classic video, what we need to see here guys is we want to see this price holding. We want to see that continuation of the price action. Now what this does guys is the higher we go, before we see Bitcoin really going towards that price discovery, before we see Bitcoin going to that previous all-time high. Now as long as Bitcoin is below that previous all-time high, we want Terra Luna Classic to slowly grind up. Now what this means guys, what will this do is, as soon as Bitcoin gonna break above that all-time high, we're gonna see FOMO kicking in the markets. And when I'm talking FOMO, I'm not talking about you and me, the people that are in the crypto space right now. I'm talking about people outside of crypto, and even those big investors that don't know much about crypto, those big business owners that are gonna join the crypto space, this big liquidity that's gonna come into the crypto space as soon as they're gonna see crypto again on the news, they're gonna see it everywhere again. They're gonna join the market. Now, the higher we go on Terra Luna Classic here, guys, the higher we go before we get that all-time high, the better for Terra Luna Classic. Because now, if we get to those prices, to that 001 on Terra Luna Classic, now if we get here, once we get that bull market kicking in, that means this whole price moves here, this whole price action we had here is just a consolidation before the real rally that's gonna start. And that's what's going on here so far. We're seeing Terra Luna Classic pumping before that bull market starts. Well, officially, I mean that retail bull market when we get above that all-time high and Bitcoin goes toward that price discovery where everyone starts to speculate and we start to see headlines, Bitcoin going to 300,000, Bitcoin going to 500,000, Ethereum going to 100,000. Now we're gonna see a lot of speculation, a lot of FOMO, and the higher the Terra Luna Classic prices is gonna be before that starts, the higher we're gonna go. So if Terra Luna Classic is on that 001 price here, guys, if Terra Luna Classic stands here, while before that happens, guys, before that bull market starts or that price discovery on Bitcoin starts, the higher the chances of Terra Luna Classic going towards that $1. As I said, this is just gonna be the breakout before we get the true rally, the true rally. Now here you're gonna ask me, what is this price you got here with that 041? Now here, guys, if we take a VWAP, which is basically a moving average based on volume. Now if we take it from those previous highs that we had Terra Luna Classic before around that $100 and we let it run, it gives us around that 41. Now this is pretty much possible because if we see here, guys, if we see here, now a lot of people said these prices could never be recovered, simple because we have too much supply at around these levels. We had too much supply. Now what this pump does as well, guys, is it burns the supply. Now recently we've seen Binance burning 4 billion Terra Luna Classic token, 4 billion, and that is caused by the trading volume on Binance, and Binance shocked everyone by doing that, as everyone was expecting Binance to not do that anymore or stop doing that since CZ left Binance. But then it did that, and then it increased even more FOMO. It created even more FOMO as people saw the news, as those that were in disbelief or those that were calling Terra Luna Classic investors, calling them delusional for thinking that Terra Luna Classic could break out or could even go higher. Now those same people, guys, have joined or started buying Terra Luna Classic as they saw this breakout. Now as they saw this breakout, as Terra Luna Classic is back in the headlines and people are gonna be joining. Now as I said, this price action creates more burns. The volume, people trading, people coming into the space are gonna burn even more Terra Luna Classic just by buying and selling. And that means, guys, the more we burn, the more we get into that price discovery on Terra Luna Classic and we start recovering some ground from that crash. That ground we've seen here from that crash, we're gonna start to recover that. As we can see here, guys, we have today the Terra Luna Classic market cap is standing at that 1.38 billion. 1.38 billion. Today also the trading volume, guys, is around that 131 billion. 1.3 billion in trading volume. This trading volume, guys, directly impacts how many Terra Luna Classic we gonna burn. Now today by far is the highest trading volume on Terra Luna Classic, and that means, guys, next month, as Binance burns each month, next month we're gonna burn even more Terra Luna Classic. Now imagine, guys, this feedback loop that is going on right now. The more Binance burns, the more the headlines look juicier and create even more FOMO as Binance is burning. New headline, Binance burned 10 billion. New headline, Binance burned 20 billion. And the more those headlines come in before Bitcoin gets towards that all-time high, the price is gonna just keep grinding higher. And now as soon as we get here, we're gonna get a lot of people, guys, a lot of people that logged off their exchanges, they forgot about crypto, they're gonna be joining and they're gonna come and see this whole move here. They're gonna see this. They're gonna also see it on that coin market cap. Now people love to browse that coin market cap. Now if we look at that coin market cap, they're gonna come here and see this whole thing. They will not probably know the story, but they're just gonna see, oh my god, this thing is standing at 0001 and it's been at $100 in the past. Now a lot of people will not know the real story here. All they're gonna do is FOMO is gonna kick in and they are gonna read about Terra Luna Classic as it is a trending coin. It is a trendy community coin. That's one of the main reasons why it's been talked about this much. It's just people love Terra Luna Classic. And that, guys, is indirectly a marketing strategy or a marketing campaign going on here for Terra Luna Classic. As the more burns we get, the more headlines we get, the more people talk about it in the bull market, the more people are gonna jump in here. Go to that coin market cap here, guys. They're gonna see Terra Luna Classic. They're gonna see this chart and all they're gonna think about is this thing could at least go to $10. Now we lived through the bear market. For us, talking $1. But probably, guys, I'm guessing in the bull market, a lot of people are gonna be talking $10. I'm pretty sure a lot of people gonna join the space, gonna join the Terra Luna Classic community. For those people, guys, $1 is gonna seem too low. For those people, probably they are gonna be talking $10, $20, 50, 100. People are gonna be throwing those crazy numbers. And for us here, we've been through that bear market. We've seen the worst. We just want $1. Some people just want a half a dollar. Some people just want 10 cents. Some people want just 1 cent. But those numbers, guys, the $10, $20, $30 are what we are gonna start to see in the future in the bull market. More people talking about $10, $20, Terra Luna Classic, more the headlines, more burns. And FOMO, guys. FOMO is crazy. Like people who that never seen a bull market before or never experienced a bull market don't know what is FOMO, that the real FOMO, when the real FOMO kicks in and we start to see those crazy numbers, guys. That those crazy expectations. Now $1 here seems super crazy, but we are gonna see $10, we are gonna see 50, we're probably gonna see 100. And the higher the price go, the more people are gonna speculate on higher and higher prices and just gonna keep going. Now I'll be fine with half a dollar, I'll be fine with 1 cent, I'll be fine with that. But people that are gonna buy the highs, guys, the people that gonna come here and start buying Terra Luna Classic before it jumps to $10, because everyone's gonna expect $10. People are gonna buy here, they're not gonna be happy with $1. They're gonna want more. Probably we are gonna top off somewhere here, guys. Probably somewhere here is gonna be the top. Probably around that half a dollar or that 0.4. Somewhere here, guys. As the burns keep going and as more investment come in and that market caps get higher, probably we are gonna top off somewhere here. Now it sounds crazy to look at it like this, but we're probably gonna top off somewhere there. It's not so far away if we keep burning. And as I said on my previous Terra Luna Classic video, how many coins are we gonna burn? Now so far we burned 83 billion. Are we gonna burn now each month from Binance? Are we gonna burn each month 10 billion, 20 billion, 40 billion? Are we gonna burn 100 billion? The more the people come in, the more volume happens, the more burns happen. How many Terra Luna Classic are we gonna burn a month? Now are we gonna burn overall over a 2-year period of just up only of a bull market? Are we gonna burn 1 trillion? Are we gonna burn 2 trillion? Now guys, the truth is we are gonna burn a lot of Terra Luna Classic. Now exactly how many we don't know, but we are gonna burn a lot of it. And also the burn narrative is a strong narrative to have behind a coin. Now whenever there is a burn going onto a coin, we see hype going on towards that coin. Whenever people hear some coin is burning, everyone jumps onto that coin. But Terra Luna Classic has burns every month, so this is not going to stop unless Binance decides to drop it. But pretty likely this is not going to stop. We're just gonna keep seeing the burns happening. But as I said, what I am thinking, guys, is the higher the price goes, before Bitcoin reaches that all-time high, the better. And as well, as soon as Bitcoin reaches that all-time high, we're gonna see more people joining Terra Luna Classic. And I'm pretty sure those people that are gonna join, guys, they are not gonna talk about $1. They're gonna want more, because for them a $1, them buying at 1 cent, $1 for them is not that much. They want more because they're gonna see people buying way lower. So for them, they're gonna want the $10, they're gonna want the $20. Probably if I make a video of Terra Luna Classic going to $1, it won't get any views because people will want Terra Luna Classic going to $10, Terra Luna Classic going to $50. Probably we are gonna see those things going on here, guys. This is usually what happens in a bull market. In the bear market, we just want those little moves. We just want, okay, now maybe $1 on Terra Luna Classic is a bit stretched. It's a bit far-fetched here. But when we get a bull market, as I said, probably, guys, probably a lot of people are gonna be saying $10, $20, $100, and it's gonna keep going. Now, as I said, probably we're gonna top off somewhere here, somewhere around that 3 cents, 4 cents, somewhere here. And then we're gonna see a larger pullback as we get a bear market. But now here, guys, something important as well with when the price goes down as well. Now, as I said here, as long as this mechanism is going on Terra Luna Classic, where the more volume we get, Binance keeps burning, and as long as Binance is one of those leading exchanges and Binance gets the highest volume on trading volume going on, if Terra Luna Classic dumps here, guys, even on a bear market, if we do this and keep dumping, the volume also is gonna increase. We're gonna see a volume increasing. That means we are gonna burn even more. So probably, guys, even in a bear market, those prices are never gonna be reached again. In a bear market, those prices are never gonna reach again unless something happening, it breaks that mechanism that is going on. We're never gonna see those prices. So probably we're gonna see a blow off top, and then the bear market comes in after 2026, probably we're gonna get the bear market, and those prices will be like around here probably, and then we're gonna get the next bull market. Probably Terra Luna Classic will go above that $1 and way beyond. So just to summarize here the video, guys, what needs to happen for the Terra Luna Classic to go to $1, guys? As I said, we need to keep that price up. We need to keep that price going. We need that sustained rally right now on Terra Luna Classic, which we are seeing so far. We're seeing a sustained rally. Nothing is pumping and dumping. We're just seeing a sustained rally after a 300% move. Now we need to keep that going. We need to keep that going here. As long as Bitcoin is below its all-time high, its previous all-time high, we need to see the Terra Luna Classic going. And the higher it goes, the higher the chances are once the bull market kicks in, we are gonna go towards that $0.50 or $1. Now that's my opinion here, guys. As usual, nothing is financial advice. We're gonna wrap it up here. I would love to hear your opinion as well, guys. You can leave it in the comment section, or you can join my Discord as well. Link in the description if you're free to join. I want to thank you so much again for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.